Hi, it's Jackie. Today I want to talk about a dream vision jar. Okay, so this is, it's actually a vase, but as long as it's something that you can get your hand in, that's all that matters. Okay, so what is a dream vision jar? When I'm talking to people like doing visualizations, sometimes they're like, well, I don't know what to visualize about. I don't really know what to do or what to focus on or how to do it. Or a lot of times they'll just come up with excuses for not doing it. So this is a technique that I read about in one of the books that I was reading. And basically you use Post-it notes and a jar or a box or whatever works for you, okay? And you start thinking about all of the things that you want to bring into your life. Okay, all of the things that you want to happen, all of the things that you want to manifest. And you write each one on a Post-it note. So, it may be get a promotion at work. It could be 30 grand for a new conservatory. Might be a best-selling author. It could be, find my soulmate. Anything that you want to bring into your life. It doesn't have to be massive. It could be something, 10 new clients this week, £5,000, £10,000, £1,000, whatever. But just put it on a Post-it note and put all of the Post-its. So write out as many as you can think of. Brain dump it. And put them into the dream jar, okay? And then every day, put your hand in the jar and pick something out. And that will be the focus for your day's visualization. And all you need to do then is just set the timer on your phone or whatever for 2 or 3 minutes. And all you're doing there, so you're focusing on the end result. So you know what the end result is that you want, and that's what you're focusing on. So if, for instance, we'll use the scenario of a best-selling author, okay? So for 2 or 3 minutes, what you're going to do is be in the energy of being a best-selling author. So what would it look like? What would you be doing? How would it feel? Imagine just seeing best-selling author in lights, So that's the essence of a dream jar, and it is so simple. So this and this, that's all you need. And then 2 or 3 minutes of your time each day. It's so powerful to visualize. And, if you are wanting to manifest the things into your life, you have to do the work, yeah? You have to do the things that are going to help you to manifest. And visualization is one of the key aspects of working and attracting what you want to bring into your life. Okay, so if you would like me to do a video more on visualization, then please let me know in the comments. If you're not following my channel, I would really appreciate if you wanted to follow me so you will stay updated. So subscribe to get a notification when I do more videos. Okay, that's me for today. Thank you.